Check it out, guys. We got a 2019 Volvo S60 T6 all-wheel drive. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 84 again. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're about to make it a little bit louder. We don't know if we're gonna do a muffler delete or resonator delete. We don't know yet. Stay tuned. So I know you guys all wonder what these S60 Volvos look like underneath. So let me show you. It's got a giant muffler. Look at this thing. It's humongous. And it's got a valve on this side to even make it even more quiet. Volvo, what are you doing? Way too quiet. So we might do a muffler delete on it. We don't know yet. It's still got a valve. So what we usually do on these valves is we'll cut it and just zip tie it away somewhere. So the car thinks it's still got it on there, but it doesn't. So it doesn't throw any check engine lights. And then it also got a giant resonator too. Look at this resonator. Oh my gosh. It is huge. And it's got converters up there. It's the 2.0 turbo. There's a converter up there too. So here's the other angle of it. So we don't know. He came in for a resonator delete, but I think I'm gonna keep the resonator and have him delete the muffler because that resonator is not that big, but that muffler is humongous. And he won't see any difference if he doesn't take that muffler off. So we gotta make him a custom white pipe and probably put on some new sexy tips. Those tips have seen better days. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys see the after result in a minute. So my guy that owns the Volvo doesn't know if he wants to keep the muffler or keep the resonator or not. So we went ahead and cut the muffler off for him, let it hang, as you guys can see right there. So we're gonna start it up and let you guys hear it. What do you guys think of that sound? Here's sound decibels with just the muffler cut off. Again. It's about 90. Again. About 93. So it's right at 93. What do you guys think? Should he take the resonator off too? Let me know in the comments. I'm thinking he should, because it's a turbo car. So with it being a turbo, I think he should cut the resonator off. Go ahead. All right, guys, so we let you hear what it sounded like before with the factory and then with just the muffler cut off. I talked to him and he's like, it's not loud enough still. So we did this. Let me show you guys. As you guys can see the new shiny bullet that we put in. It's a vibrant resonator. Instead of the stock resonator, here's the part number. 1792. Still got the factory converter right there on the manifold. And then there's the vibrant resonator. And then 2.5-inch pipe continues out the back factory. And that was where I cut the muffler off earlier. We did a custom white pipe, as you guys can see there. Check it out, guys. That's custom. They don't sell these white tops. We made it custom in-house on each side, 2.25. And then this Volvo also came with the valve, as you guys can see there. So we just cut it and welded it to the side of the pipe. So the car thinks that the valve is still on there. It opens, closes, does whatever it needs to do. And then we finished it off with some sexy Natami black chrome tips there and there. Here's the part number on the Natami's NT2575. There'll be a link in the description for them also. And that's what it looks like. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And we just did like a 50 to 75 pound reduction in weight by taking all that stuff off. As you guys can see, here's the giant muffler that was on it. The valve was over here. There's the tip on this side. That's the other tip beside it. And there's the giant resonator that was on it. And you can see it's straight through, perforated. We had to get it off. It was too quiet. And the muffler is too huge. Look at that giant muffler. We don't like it. So we kick it and throw it away. And the old tips, we kick them. Anyways, there you go. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. They're laughing at me because I'm kicking mufflers and stuff. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Much better. Put a smile on his face. Told you we needed to get rid of that resonator. That's so much better. Let it idle. Give it gas. Here's sound decibels, guys. Right at 97. Yeah, right at 97. That's perfect. I don't like it. It's clean. As long as he likes it, that's all I care about. Do you like it?
Yeah, he said that you're gonna move to 100 decibels.
With my voice? Oh, 99. Yeah, it hit 99. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, so it's 100. Right at 100 dBs. Looks good and it sounds good. Look at that side view, guys. That looks amazing. Oh yeah, that's clean. Yeah, that's clean. Hey, you ain't gonna hear another Volvo like this one. That sounds badass. I like it. You guys like it? Because I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Here's sound decibels. Right at 84. Much better. Put a smile on his face. Told you we needed to get rid of that resonator. That's so much better. Let it idle. Give it gas. Here's sound decibels, guys. Right at 97. Yeah, right at 97. That's perfect. I don't like it. It's clean. Again. He's happy. He's like, yeah. I like the black badging on it, guys. What do you guys think? Check out the black badging. All right, guys, let him know in the comments. Should he murder out the taillights or not? He says leave them red. I say get them all murdered out because all his badging, everything is black. Should he make them black or no? Let me know in the comments.
Oh, he's gonna take a poll for you.
Yeah, we'll do a poll for you guys. I say he takes it out. Makes it black. Just like that. The rest of the whole car. It fits it better, but I don't know. To each their own. He says no. Brad, you like the red, right?
Cuts it up.
Gives it a little breakout. Department update. They're still progressing. Yeah, those tips fitted perfectly. Oh, wow. That sounds phenomenal for a Volvo, bro. That is smooth. He's smooth. I love it. Hope you guys liked it.